Lesson 31 Inviting someone to do something together, Part 2. Japanese theme is 一緒に行きませんか? It means why don't we all go together? First of all, let's check the skit with English subtitles. In this time, please focus on understanding whole story. Let's begin.
今度の土曜日、カイトと忍者博物館に行きます。
マイクさんは本当に忍者が好きですね。
はい。みんなで一緒に行きませんか？
土曜日はちょっと。私も授業があります。
残念。じゃあ2人で行こ
う。Okay, next time, please focus on Japanese pronunciation and how to read it. Let's begin.
今度の土曜日、カイトと忍者博物館に行きます。
マイクさんは本当に忍者が好きですね。
はい。みんなで一緒に行きませんか？
土曜日はちょっと。私も授業があります。
残念。じゃあ2人で行こ
う。Okay, so next time, let's check the vocabularies. Please repeat after me. 今度、土曜日、忍者、博物館、行く。Okay, let's make the example sentence. Okay, please repeat after me. 今度の土曜日、忍者博物館に行こう。Good. It means let's go to the Ninja Museum next Saturday. Okay, next one. 本当に好き。Here, please repeat after me. 本当に忍者が好きなんだね。Good. It means you really like ninja, don't you? 本当に忍者が好きなんだね。The next one. みんなで一緒にOkay, please repeat after me. みんなで一緒に行こう。Good. It means let's all go together. みんなで一緒に行こう。Okay, next one. ちょっと。私。授業。ある。Okay, please repeat after me. ちょっと私、授業があって。Good. It means, well, I have to go to the class. ちょっと私、授業があって。Okay, next one. 残念。じゃあ、Here, please repeat after me. 残念だな。じゃあ、二人で行こう。Good. It means, what a pity. Then, let's go together. 残念だな。じゃあ、二人で行こう。Okay, that's it. So, next time, let's move on to the skit section. Okay, please repeat after me. 今度の土曜日、カイトと忍者博物館に行きます。マイクさんは本当に忍者が好きですね。 はい。みんなで一緒に行きませんか？ああ、土曜日はちょっと。私も授業があります。残念。じゃあ、二人で行こう。Good. Let's move on to the key phrase section. Today's grammar is about inviting someone to do something together. Example sentences. 一緒に行きませんか？ It means, why don't we go together? To invite someone to do something, change the must of the verb's must form to ませんか and raise the intonation. ません is a negative form, but with ませんか it becomes an invitation. To accept the invitation, say いいですね or sounds good. Okay, ませんか and ましょう。ましょう is also an expression of invitation, but it has the nuance of encouraging the person to accept. On the other hand, ませんか is used when you want to check the other person's availability, so it's more polite. Okay, so let's check the example sentence. Again, here. Please repeat after me. 一緒に行きませんか？ Good. It means, why don't we go together? Okay, so next one. Here. Please repeat after me. 一緒に食べませんか？ Good. So, why don't we eat together? 一緒に食べませんか？ And next one is here. Please repeat after me. 一緒に走りませんか？ Good. It means, why don't we run together? Okay, so last example sentence is here. Please repeat after me. 一緒に飲みませんか？ Good. It means, why don't we drink together? Anyway, ませんか means, why don't we to do something? Would you like to do with me? Like that. Okay, so let's move on to the next section. Please repeat after me. 今晩一緒にご飯を食べに行きませんか？いいですね。行きましょう。Good. Okay, next one. Try the section. In this section, please try to translate 3 English sentences into Japanese. Number 1. Why don't we have a barbecue with everyone? Have a barbecue with everyone is みんなでバーベキューをします。And you need to replace ます with ませんか right? So, answer is here. Sorry, please repeat after me. みんなでバーベキューをしませんか？ Good. みんなでバーベキューをしませんか？ Why don't we have a barbecue with everyone? Okay, good. Next one. So why don't we sing together? Sing together is 一緒に歌います。And you need to replace ます with ませんか。So, answer is here. Please repeat after me. 一緒に歌いませんか？ Good. 一緒に歌いませんか？ Why don't we sing together? Let's move on to the last one. Why don't we try doing? Okay, so try doing is やってみます。And you need to replace ます with ませんか。So answer is here. Please repeat after me. やってみませんか? Okay, great. That's it. So, let's move on to the next bonus phrase. Please repeat after me. 土曜日はちょっと Good. It means Saturday isn't good for me. So this expression is used to decline an invitation. ちょっと means a little. However, stretching out the ending and weakening the pitch creates the nuance that you reluctantly declining. For example, like 土曜日遊びましょう. Let's play together on Saturday, and you can say 土曜日はちょっと. It means, 土曜日 Saturday is not good for me. And next one is like why don't we go drinking tonight? 今晩飲みに行きましょう. At a time, you can say like 今晩はちょっと. It means tonight is not good for me. So you can use the ちょっと to decline some invitation. Okay, that's it. We finished most of the activities. So, lastly, let's check the video skit. Okay, in the skit section, please focus on understanding the whole story in Japanese. And what's more, let's check the kanji and the triptych section. Anyway, let's get this started.
Easy Japanese. Give it a try.
今度の土曜日、カイトと忍者博物館に行きます。
マイクさんは本当に忍者が好きですね。
はい。みんなで一緒に行きませんか？
土曜日はちょっと。私も授業があります。
残念。じゃあ2人で行こう。
Mike knows a lot about Japanese culture.
He used to live with us, and I explained everything to him.
Ah, that's why. Now, today's phrase is to ask someone to go somewhere with you. Mike said, 一緒に行きませんか? 一緒に means together. After that, change the verb conjugation mas to masen. That is a polite negative. For example, turn 行きます to 行きません. And finally, the question form か.
僕、卓球が好きです。一緒に行きませんか？
私も好きです。行きましょう。全然ダメですね。
ビリヤードなら得意です。一緒に行きませんか？
わかりました。行きましょう。
He's no slouch at the billiard table.
Things are definitely more fun if you can ask people to do them with you.
Now the pronunciation. 一緒に行きませんか？一緒に行きませんか？
Trick tip! Iga near Kyoto is known as the home of ninja, including the Iga-ryu Ninja Museum. You can try ninjutsu, the art of being a ninja. Watch a performance and study real implements. If you can't get to Iga, maybe you can try this spot in Tokyo. Throw shuriken ninja stars and take photos with the folks in black. Today's kanji. They hide and seek. You know them. Ninja.
Thanks for watching Easy Japanese. Come back for more phrases for a smooth stay in Japan. Sayonara!
Okay, so that's the lesson 31, inviting someone to do something together. Okay, I hope you learned something new from today's lesson. Thank you for having my class. See you next time.